Yeah, I done head out from the local spot. It's kind of boring there. Did a little slide and some fucking idiot wanted to try to join me and shit and get in the way, but so I just left. I was like, fuck it. Like, I didn't even want to fucking deal with it. I was like, bro, are you really that stupid? Like, who are you, first of all? And second of all, like, you're like in some automatic new bands. Like, bro, fuck out here. But yeah, really just trying to stretch his legs, you know, stretch the M legs before I put it away again. Sad things. Yeah. I'm kind of wondering if I should go very far. I kind of noticed, man, I used to like go so far where like I used to just drive. But like, man, like I said it before, ever since I went to the track and I drove the fuck out of like this car, it's just like, yo, I feel like I just got all that energy out. Like, it's just weird. I feel like I'm kind of like that, like, kind of have like an addictive personality in the sense that like if I really like something, like I'm finna just do it and go hard with it and fuck with it. But then like once I move on, like once I'm like done, I'm done. Like I don't like idolize everything like that. Yo, my suspension is so stiff in the back. I like second guess if I was gonna pull over or not, like big retarded. But yeah. Fuck, to be honest, I lost train of thought because like it's weak. But yeah, once I move on, it's like shit. Like I moved on, like I'm done with it. Like everything's finite, you know, and you can't just do everything forever. You can't just do something forever, even if you like love it, even if you fuck with it, even if it's your thing, you know. Everything's finite. So that's kind of the way I think I see things. I'm not even sure if I just fuck with the regular spot or go to the other spot or just fucking go home. But like, it's not even that serious, to be honest. And also, I don't know. Tomorrow's type of next day. Kind of wondering if I should go up to Forks, but it's still kind of like still kind of cold. Like at the end of the day, it's like I'm not trying to do nothing stupid, but it'll be fun. Haven't been a night run in a while up there. Those of you didn't know, like M3s typically have like less sound deadening, and they do a few things for weight reduction and whatnot. So you hear everything in these motherfuckers. Like, don't think like it's a BMW, right? And you're gonna spend all this while and it's like it's gonna be super quiet and super luxurious. No. That's why BMW's is where they're at right now. Because to be honest, like that's my little theory. That's why BMW's is at where they're at now. Because people are like, yo, these cars are expensive. These cars are like luxurious, all that, but then they have some certain nuances that resemble race cars, which is you hear crashy noises, you hear suspension, you hear the road, you feel the road, all that shit. And I just feel like people, you know, who are buying these cars brand new are like not that like interested in hearing the road just because like hearing the road to sacrifice comfortability, if that makes sense. They're not sacrificing comfortability for road noise. There you go. Wait, what? I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I get it. I kind of get it. But like, also like, keep the brand special. Like, keep like a product line that's like catered to the original fans. You know, the OGs. Like, we're still here, niggas. Like, we're the ones that made you. I'm saying we, like I bought this car brand new, or any of my fucking viewers brand new. Who's life up here? haven't done in a while is pulled on that little strip there. Like, it sounds nuts. Let's see if we can get a little skinny sound, cause like this motherfucker, I know he's gonna drive type smooth. Whoa, what was that? That was dang. I feel like it's a Pontiac gear. What? Let me try and get a nice sound clip. Damn, that shit changes fast. That was definitely not the strip that I thought it was. And then I literally remembered the strip that I thought it was, and we fucking passed it like 10 minutes ago. Like, don't play with me. Definitely do not like cold weather. I feel like if you're not totally direct with it, it kind of sucks. My bad. I'm not trying to be one of those guys, motherfucking freaking high beamers. I'm in a beamer, but I'm not trying to high beam her. Ha Whoa! I was literally no traction. And like I'll say 10% throttle push. Like, my map is super aggro and stuff, man. I don't need so much RPM downhill. Big downhill specialist type. I'm not too sure what I prefer, uphill or downhill. So uphill is more of like a power battle, like you can get your corners well and all that. But realistically, it's whoever can pull up the hills and whatnot. You know, who can pull around the corner. But downhill is a whole nother game, cause shit, it doesn't really matter how much power you got. Like you reach like sort of terminal velocity at a certain point or a certain speed where it's all about technique in the corners and whatnot. So you're gonna mash on your brakes, or you're gonna have the correct speed to where you don't have to touch the brakes. Is your car too heavy where it's gonna chew up your brakes? Fucking, there's a lot to going downhill shit. Can't lie. Be fucking with it. Oh god. Gotta love the M noises. Trying to be super easy with my throttle input on gear change. This motherfucker will get sideways on 275s. MPSs, so don't play with me. This motherfucker's like, hey bitch, don't play with me. Don't play with me now. You just like feel the oversteer waiting to happen. It's hilarious. Big type on the edge side. I'm about to e-boogie in with the hoodie out of here. So let's take the next exit. Bam bam. See, the G is a little more dramatic, but then you look at the speedometer and it's like, okay, it's not that bad. But this motherfucker is dramatic it's like, yo, you look at the speedometer, it's like, okay, yo, chill, bro. I'm going to penitentiary type. The beans before. Yeah, realistically, this is just a science experiment. I'm trying to see the differences between power to weight ratio and whatnot. Oh yeah, I forgot about my spot. Hey, see, you guys speak your universe into existence. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna pull up here on my E46. I'm gonna pull up to the spot. It's gonna be dope. Let's see if anyone remembers what spot it is exactly. If you remember, then you're goated. See? My views are much better for the cam. For the cam! Or for the gram, which one? Shit. Yeah, eh? Holy! Buddy, Audi! This guy's pulling. Man said, yo, I'm pulling on this strip tonight. It seemed like it was an RS. Just about how wide it was. I couldn't tell if it was a 3 or 7. It looked kind of big body, not gonna lie. I feel like it was a 7. Did they got a 5? RS5? It was definitely a sedan. Ooh. See if I get this motherfucker rocking. I don't even know what that means. Oh shit. Let me actually remember that there's a curb. Hey curb, let's not introduce you to my BMW. Even though you guys will probably make great friends. This is literally the most like difficult shit ever. I used to rock my E30 with a looped power steering line. So I basically deleted the power steering pump and then just like looped the hose going from the power steering pump back into the actual steering rack. So it was like half power steering, half not. Felt super gangster, but parking, fuck that. Nigga probably got like bees ass Popeyes forearms for doing it. Okay, so yo, I'm finna hop the fuck out. See you in a bit. Bah! Shit, did I tell you guys I was coming to this spot? I feel like I fucked up though, cause if I left my fucking lights on, they're too bright. Now the Super looks like iPhone cam. Like before, I bet y'all gonna tell this was an iPhone cam, but no, you can't. So yeah, this is basically like the entrance to like some private golf club. Just like all the way back there. Oh, there you go. There's some fucking lighting. Don't play with me. It's a baby. Toronto flag for that. What the fuck is this? I always see this thing. Honestly, can somebody tell me, is my camera fucked? Or is it just a light? I think it's just a light reflection. Big geek. The lighting is type terrible here. Like my bad. supposed to wake up tomorrow and change the oil and do the belts on my G. Man, I said I was supposed to do that shit so like a week or two ago. Bitch, that shit ain't happen. Fuck that. It's just, Canada sucks. It's just fucking cold. Everybody wanna crawl on the ground and shit. Fucking change the oil and change the belts. This is the worst part about the changes of belts. I gotta fucking climb under it and take off the under panel and all that shit. But like, fuck. Hopefully it's not like a BMW or it's just like a million screws, like different sizes and whatnot. So fuck. Hopefully I can get it done quickly, easily. Just crush that, you know? Crush that, no Big Mac. That's probably it for the rest of the night. Do it like this. If I finish the belt and the oil and shit, I'll probably take this one out. I go to Forks in the daytime type. It'll be nice. It's a decent weather. Just whatever. Get some shots. Talk some shit. Hopefully y'all motherfuckers fuck with me and start subscribing. My bitch ass got like 80. But shout out to my 11 new subscribers within the last month. It's better than nothing. See? So, fuck with all y'all. Shout out to the 2 little homies I met today. Hopefully I gave y'all some, you know. Just take with that what you will. I know niggas are doing their thing. Got the 07G up, clean as fuck. See my other young nigga with the Damier pouch. Probably got the blinky up in that bitch. Shit. Yep, so that's it.
Trap on the drum, want the light, go get it. Gotta let the phones what I wear so fitted. Had it with the bras, booty up, go get it. Bout to beat the odds, bitch, I ain't self-centered. Don't need applause to get the windows tinted. You want me and Ron out of this forbidden. Hit it with me, bitch, come bring your kiddin'. Ain't even mind, that ain't my linens. Catch the wet, I walk with a paste up, dipping it where she talk her face. No money up, I don't want no relations. Tell you what, honey, I'm got no patience. All my girls be Haitian, Jamaican, ain't some fun. I'm straight to the matrix, just too hung. Don't pair with your basics. Loaded gun and shoots like a clip. All they do is hate me and mine. I got the crew and I'm about to shine up. Move around through Carolina. Where will I go? Fuck if I know. Sellotape it, maybe vinyl. Always only just like a rhino. Shiny, shiny than this. And I review the honey while she riding me. Bitch, up in it. I want them windows tinted. 100 bands up, 100 bands down. Anyway, I'm gon' get it. They ain't ready. Blasting some Tom Petty. Waking up, I'm getting, she had me busting like confetti. And if I get them bands, when I get them bands, I'ma spend the bands on anything. On all the fam and all the friends I stayed around through petty things. No narcos, no dreamy dates. I ain't never craved promethazine. Spend the bands on real estate and I shot it rings and ketamine.